Hi, welcome to Digital Circuits course. In this video, we are going to discuss about K-maps or corner map method for minimizing the expression. First, we define the word implement. One implement is equivalent to two terms, and four terms, that is two pairs, is implies to two implicant, and two quadrants equivalent to three implicant. Okay. For mth equivalent implicant and n variables, the number of literals in implicant is n minus n. Okay. Our main objective is to minimize the number of prime implicants. Okay. Let's try to understand how to draw the cube representation for the corner map. For one variable, these are two boxes. For two variables, we use this. And for three variables, we use this. In this, the sequence is important: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. From one box to another box, a neighboring box, only one change should be there in the value. Okay. For four variable, we use this box, 4 into 4 box. Okay. The procedure of the K-map is, first we should identify all prime implicants by letting the min terms and implicants grow. Okay. Construct minimum sum of products with prime implicants only. Cover all minimum terms. Use only essential prime implicants. Use no reluctant prime implicants. Use cheaper supplementary prime implicants. Okay. Okay. For the these are the steps to be followed to use the K-map method. Start with the min term or a cube representation. Find all PI, include all EPI, and find set of uncovered min terms. If uncovered min terms is empty, then the we found the corner map method over. If it is not empty, then we go for the sixth point. Okay. Let's try to explain understand this using an example here. This is the four variable function, so we draw the cube, 4 into 4 cube. We write the min terms and we fill this number of min terms. Okay. One is here, so one. If we fill this, next we try to encircle this once. Okay, by largest possible cubes or rectangles. Okay. And this is a circle, this is circle, this is circle. These are the prime implicants, and these two are supplementary implicants. If we take one, it is enough, so we will take either this or this. Okay. So f is equal to a bar d plus a. For this cube, this is a d bar plus, for this we take a b c bar. Okay. What if the K-map in the question they gave about don't care conditions 0 to 5, and they gave also min terms. So we will draw the K-map cube representation, and we will keep once at the min terms and x at the don't cares. There is no rule for including x. X need not be included, and they can be included. Okay. These are the two possibilities for taking the K-map representation. Okay. The advantages of don't care, we can find the expression so simply. Okay. Thank you.